watching this face for the first time, I request you subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon. So whenever I'm going to upload any of the video, you guys will get a notification. So आज का video basically एक बहुत time से requested video है. Like one of you have requested me कि show me your jewelry collection. So I thought why not to show you guys like where I buy, what are like how I like styling. In case तुम लोग मुझे Instagram पे follow नहीं कर रहे हो, कर लो यार. मैंने बहुत सारा कंटेंट सोचा हुआ है यार, कर लो इंस्टाग्राम पे फॉलो. एंड या सो विदाउट एनी फर्दर ड्यू, लेट्स गेट इनटू द वीडियो. So there is, I think, एक चीज जो सबके wardrobe में होनी चाहिए, and I think it's a very very essential thing, are the chokers. Now I have placed my chokers line से यहाँ पे. The first one is this one. This is the replica of the Amama and बहुत से बड़े बड़े brands जो बहुत cover up अफगानी jewelry बनाते हैं, and they are proper silver. This is not the proper silver, but people like you and me who like not to invest so much and they have like lower budget. So वो ऐसी चीजों में इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं. This is now for this kind of choker you should not pay more than 450 to 550. The price range should be between them. And look at the view, guys. Now it looks pretty cool. Like I love this jewelry so much, and I wore it most of the time. In fact अभी भी मैं इसको ही पहनने वाली थी. नंबर जनपद में जाने के बाद शॉप नंबर 4 और 5 में से किसी एक शॉप में मिल जाएंगे. They make lot of replica. अगर आप बाहर खड़े रहोगे तो वहां नहीं मिलेगा. You have to go inside and ask them about these kind of chokers you want. Now the next thing which I am gonna talk about is this one. This one is a very small choker. Now ये I don't know इसको कौन सा सिल्वर कहते हैं. I think German silver कहते हैं इसको, कुछ ऐसा, और इसका कलर जल्दी उतरता नहीं है. So it looks very very pretty. Look at the view, guys. Like yeah. When I showed in my Janpat haul, a lot of you loved it. Now I didn't get a chance to wear it, but these kind of chokers you can definitely wear whenever you don't want to wear something very heavy, but you want to give a statement look at as well. So these kind of chokers help you in that. And इस type की silver jewelry के लिए you should not pay them more than 250 rupees, I would say, because ये silver jewelry German silver है तो वो आप लोगों को काफी बोलेंगे expensive, but I would suggest you not to pay more than 250 rupees for this one. Now when it comes to this another choker, now I have this choker which is for like I paid like 200 for this. So when it comes to chokers like these where it's not heavy and the thing is like मैंने धागा तोड़ दिया है, so even one I'm wearing another color also. So इसके लिए आपको maximum max to max 200 से 250 ज़्यादा पे नहीं करना है when it comes to these kind of chokers. Always make sure whenever you are paying, आप जब पे करो तो बहुत सोच समझ के पे करो, like what you are paying for. When it comes to heavy material and when it comes to lighter material, you need to be very mindful किस टाइप का प्रोडक्ट किस तरीके से दिखता है. The more heavy, the more authentic look, the more good look it will give you in silver jewelry. मैंने actually किसी ब्रांड के लिए शूट किया था, I still remember, and the silver jewelries were so heavy, but they look so stunning. I'll insert a picture over here. So ये actually में बहुत heavy होती है, तो अगर आपको कोई heavy jewelry मिल रही है, so you have to be very mindful with the price range. Next thing which comes is a mirror jewelry. Now I got this one. I think it looks very pretty and very colorful, and the best thing इस टाइप की jewelry के साथ आप इसको as a choker भी पहन सकते हो of course, and as a long necklace भी पहन सकते हो to layer up some jewelry with it. So it also looks very pretty. I think I paid 200 for this. मुझे इनका प्राइस बहुत अच्छे से याद है. 200 या 250 के बीच में पे किया था मैंने, and now it's going to be like 8-9 months. But किसी भी मतलब किसी भी jewelry का कलर नहीं निकला है. So according to the price, I think I have paid a good amount to them. Let me show you to give the closure version of it. Can you see, guys? I like the like jiggling sound of this silver jewelry because I think I love the sound. Like बिल्कुल आराम मिलता है कानों को. Next which come up is a mirror jewelry. I think everybody should have at least one of the colorful one and one of the mirror side jewelry in your wardrobe, because when you're going for some plain outfits, I think whether you go for some earrings or you can go with some chokers, mirror is something which will just highlight and just मतलब पूरे आउटफिट का लेवल बढ़ जाता है. सो यू कैन डेफिनेटली गो एंड चेक आउट सम मिरर ज्वेलरी. नाउ दिस वन इज ये मुझे किसी ब्रांड ने भेजा था कॉल्ड आगमोनी, and the quality of jewelry is quite nice. I don't know the price, but you can definitely check out their look how how shiny this looks. Sorry if this noise is irritating you, but मुझे ना पायल की आवाज और इन सब चीजों की आवाज बहुत अच्छी लगती है. So yeah, I love this one. I don't know what is the price of this one, but you can definitely check out their page. So yeah, this is one of another jewelry. Next, I got this one. This one I think I paid 150 for this one. This is very small piece, but मुझे इसका कुछ यूज मिला नहीं. The way it was looking, जब ये आता है तो ये ऐसे करके आता है, तो अभी तक मैं इसको बिल्कुल भी यूटिलाइज नहीं कर पाई हूँ. एंड आई एम वेटिंग बिकॉज मैंने ये इसलिए लिया था. इट हैज सम blue red tones, like my outfit has the same tone, so I was thinking to utilize this one with some denim jacket and all. I think that will give a very Indo-Western look and they will look very stylish. So this one, if it comes to these kind of jewelry, you don't need to pay more than 150 rupees or 100 rupees for these smaller pieces. Now next, one of my favorite also, but I would say not recommended, from Amazon. I got this from Amazon and इसका quality तो बहुत ही गंदा आया था. Like quality is worse, but I keep on utilizing it because main factor इसका chain factor बहुत अच्छा है. So मैं इसको यूटिलाइज कर लेती हूँ. एंड द थिंग इज द क्वालिटी इज नॉट नाइस बिकॉज इसके जो स्टोन्स वगैरह भी हैं यहाँ से सब निकल गया है and the quality is not nice. So I'll not suggest you to order the jewelry from Amazon. When it comes to silver jewelry, there are a lot of stores like Agmoni, there are a lot of stores. Jhanjharia, I've seen that Jhanjharia has a I would say little bit, they are a little bit on the expensive side, so you can definitely check out Mia Oxidized. And there are more jewelry brands which I would love to mention their link in the description box, so you can go and check out these brands. Now when it comes to the long neck piece, I have only 2 long neck piece and they are like one of my love neck piece. So one of them I got from the Agmoni and the another one I got from Janpat Gujarati Lane, so I'd like to show you that. Another piece which this brand called Agmoni sent it to me, and this is this neck piece. I really love the quality of this neck piece. It's very pretty, very versatile and look very classy at the same time. इसमें भी बहुत सारे घुंघरू हैं तो मुझे वो चीज़ बहुत अच्छी लगती है. It looks pretty when you wear something print, बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है. मैंने अपने एक outfit पे पहना था. It looks very pretty. I don't know the price of this because they were good enough to send me, so you can check their page. And it's been I think 6 to 7 months, तो अभी तक तो ये बहुत अच्छा चल रहा है. So completely recommend this. Like if you are looking something जो बहुत सही प्राइस में आपको चाहिए ज्वेलरी, you can definitely check out their page. Like quality wise भी इतना अच्छा है ना, दोनों ज्वेलरी की क्वालिटी बहुत अच्छी है and I really love them. इसके साथ जो ये वाला ज्वेलरी है, इसके साथ मुझे इयररिंग्स भी मिले, so I would like to show you those earrings also. And the quality of earrings are also too nice, man. Like look at these earrings, they're so pretty. So I really love, now when it comes to silver jewelry, I told you I love it. Now if you're going to Janpat for the first time, you have to be very careful when you are going to most important and most versatile lane, which is known as Gujarati Lane. Now Gujarati Lane is full up of like the bohemian bags, bohemian jewelry, and that too the authentic bohemian jewelry. क्योंकि वहाँ पे बहुत सारे लोग जो जैसे बड़े बड़े ब्रांड से अम्रपाली और इन सबसे ज्वेलरी खरीदते हैं, then they sell out to them and then they sell out again to people like us, you and me. So it happens something like this, and this is how I got this like a proper silver, and I think ये बिल्कुल proper है. मैंने कितने का लिया था? I guess I got this for like 350 rupees, which is like insane because ये बहुत ही प्यारा है. Although इसमें ना 1-2 stones जो है वो निकले हुए हैं, but I still like it because it looks so versatile, it looks so classy, so I still love it. And I think 350 rupees में बहुत ही अच्छा परचेज है because इसका क्वालिटी बहुत अच्छा है. ये एक आंटी है, वो बेचती है वहाँ पे, एंड देयर इज अ गर्ल. लाइक पूरा गुजराती लेन ही बहुत सुंदर है. बट आई सजेस्ट यू व्हेन यू एंटर इनटू अ गुजराती लेन, प्लीज स्टार्टिंग की जो शॉप्स है वहाँ से कुछ शॉप मत करना. यू गो थोड़ा सा आगे जाओ, वहाँ पे आपको बहुत सारी आंटियाँ मिलेंगी. दे सेल आउट ज्वेलरी और उनके पास कुछ कपड़े भी होते हैं. सो मेक श्योर यू चेक आउट दो शॉप्स, और आपको बहुत सारी ऑथेंटिक सिल्वर ज्वेलरी भी काफ़ी अच्छे रेट में मिल जाएगी. लाइक ओरिजिनल सिल्वर ज्वेलरी आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट. And then when it comes to my earring collection, now I like keeping my earrings in this dappa. एंड बिकॉज मैं हर ईयरिंग को बहुत अलग से स्टोर नहीं कर सकती हूँ, आई डोंट हैव दैट बॉक्स वाला थिंग विच आई एम थिंकिंग टू ऑर्डर. And I'll show you this earring. This is a part of that choker. And वो choker के साथ इसका प्राइस मिला के I think मुझे 400 दिया था, 400 या 350 मैंने पे किया था. I don't remember, but look at them guys. They look so pretty. I'll give you the closer version. So they look quite pretty and quite classy. It has a green work. Let me come closer and show it to you. Look at these.
So I told you these are very pretty. And the second earring which I have, Dhruv, can you zoom the camera a little bit? Yes.
So the another jewelry piece which I would like to show you, if you're going to Gujarat, I think you must go to their कौन सा मार्केट है वो, आई डोंट रिमेम्बर शिट, पर गुजरात में बहुत फेमस मार्केट है. आई थिंक इट्स अ लेडीज मार्केट. येस, इट्स अ लेडीज मार्केट. वहाँ पे ज्वेलरी भी बहुत अच्छी मिलती है. एंड आई रियली वांटेड टू शो यू दिस ज्वेलरी. आई गॉट इट these earrings. Like look at the quality of the earrings. I got this like 4 साल पहले लिए थे मैंने. एंड these are मतलब मेरे सब earrings अभी तक शायद टूट गए होंगे, बट ये वैसे के वैसे ही हैं. And I got this one for like 50 rupees, which is like insane because the quality which these earrings are, and they are quite heavy, okay, quite heavy, but the quality, the color, कुछ भी नहीं निकला यार. And I believe 50 rupees में this is a steal. I think that is the one place you must visit if you are going to Ahmedabad. Any Ahmedabad viewer here? And the second thing I got these earrings. So सबसे ज़्यादा regret है, I was searching today for this choker to show it to you guys, but I don't know where it went. But ये मैंने लिया था एक set, and I got this for 350. मतलब इसके साथ मैंने choker लिया था. I like doing it. So इसके साथ मैंने ये choker लिया था, and I bought this. Look at the earrings, and they look pretty cool. Look at it. So ये बहुत ही अच्छा स्टेटमेंट इयरिंग है. एंड ये मैंने इसके चोकर के साथ लिया था. लाइक चोकर वाज लाइक दिस, इसमें 3 झालर. So yeah, this one I got from there. And another most art earring. मैं कहीं भी जाती हूँ ना तो लोग मेरे से पूछने लग जाते हैं, सपना आपने ये इयरिंग्स कहाँ से लिया आपने? So are these mirror earrings. It has a big mirror. So I got this also from Janpat, from shop number 4 and 5. दोनों में से किसी एक शॉप पे लिए थे. And I paid like I think 200 for this one, which is I think ठीक है, अच्छा प्राइस है. I felt मुझे ठग लिया थोड़ा सा, but as per the मतलब जितना मैंने इनको यूटिलाइज किया, I think that price is quite affordable. Sarojini, and I don't like their quality much, are these, and that's the reason I never recommend you guys to buy any of the jewelry from Sarojini, because मुझे ऐसा लगता है उनका क्वालिटी बहुत अच्छा नहीं होता है और प्राइस रेंज भी थोड़ा सा डिफर करता है, एंड वो टूट जाता है. लाइक लुक एट दिस, ये टूट गया है. So this is the green dump earring which I got from there and never get a chance to wear it, but I think इसको मैं जोड़ लूँगी, थोड़ा काम तो चला लूँगी because यहाँ पे ये हुक है. But I don't like buying jewelry from Sarojini, so I'll never recommend anyone to buy jewelry from Sarojini. But I hope you guys like this haul. But wait, last thing I want to show you guys is this kada. Like I don't have a lot of bangles, which I want to have it in my wardrobe, but I don't have a lot of bangles. And this time I'm thinking कि मैं जनपद जाऊँ तो मेरा main target bangles लेना होगा. But I got this one. This looks pretty cool, and इसको काफ़ी साल हो गए मुझे लिए हुए. I think it's been 3 years, और ये मैंने किसी मंगल मार्केट वगैरह से लिया था, and it works really well with my most of the outfits. So I love this one. So yeah, this is the one. So yeah guys, that was my jewelry that was my jewelry collection, like my most favorite jewelry, और जो मैं सबसे ज़्यादा पहनना पसंद करती हूँ. So I hope you guys are going to like it. इस वीडियो के बाद सरोजनी हॉल आने वाला है, and you guys won't believe what all crazy stuff I got from Sarojini this time. Like I am excited for it, and you guys should be. I hope this jewelry collection was not boring for you guys. I really don't want it to get a boring thing, but yeah, that's how the video was all about, my jewelry collection. Let me know what was your favorite jewelry? I would love to know that. And thank you for watching, but don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time with some another video. Until then, sit back, relax and enjoy. Bye bye.